Hi everybody! Welcome to the Science Buddy series. I'm Ashley from Rejuvenate Health Services, and I have my buddy with me today. Her name is
Abby.
And today we're going to make a science experiment called walking water. For this experiment, you need 4 ingredients. You need
2 paper towels.
2 paper towels,
Some food coloring.
and
3 glasses.
last,
Water.
that's right. So 4 ingredients. Paper towels, food coloring, 3 glasses, and water. So everybody, pause your video and go get 4 ingredients. And then come back and we will get started. See you soon. Welcome back. Did everybody get 3 glasses and
Food coloring.
and
Water.
and
2 paper towels.
did everybody get their ingredients? Perfect. Okay. Then step number 1. You need to put your 3 glasses in a row. 3 glasses in a row. And we're going to pour water in 2 glasses. We're going to pour water in 2 glasses. And we want the water to be equal. That means the same. So we have the same amount of water in 2 glasses. No water in the middle glass. So everybody, pause your video and pour the same amount of water in 2 glasses. We will see you in a minute. Welcome back, everybody. Did you all pour the same amount of water in 2 glasses? You did? Perfect. Okay, now step number 2. You need 2 different colors of food coloring. We chose red and blue. Okay, so step 2. You're going to pour red in one glass and blue in the other glass, or whatever color you pick. So one color in one glass, your other color in the other glass. We are going to do about 10 drops. Here we go. We're going to do 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Okay, we have 10 drops in our glasses. We're going to let them sit for a second. So 10 drops. One color in one glass, the other color in the second glass. So everybody, pause your video, pick 2 colors, and pour them in your glasses. And then come back for step number 3. We will see you soon. Hello again. Did everybody pick 2 colors and put them in your glasses? Okay, perfect. What colors did you pick? Let's hear it. Oh, good choices. Okay, now it's time for step 3. For step number 3, we need our paper towels. And we are going to do this together. So step 3, you're going to fold your paper towel in half. Awesome. And you're going to fold it in half again. Perfect. And then you bend your paper towel. It's going to go from one color to the middle cup and the other color to the middle cup. Ready, set, put them in. Okay, so take a look. Step number 3. You fold your paper towel and put it from one color to the empty glass and the other color to the empty glass. Okay, everybody, pause your video, fold your paper towel 2 times, and bend it in your glasses. We will see you soon. Welcome back. Did everybody fold their paper towels 2 times and then bend them in their glasses? Awesome. Okay, let's make some guesses. What do you think will happen? Let's ask Abby first. What do you think will happen?
I think they're going to meet into the middle glass.
Ooh, she thinks they're going to meet in the middle. Let's hear some of your guesses. Oh, those are some pretty awesome guesses. Well, the experiment is called walking water. So the water is going to walk up and fill up the middle glass. But what do you think will happen when the colors mix in the middle? Do you think we'll have a different color in the middle glass?
I think so.
She thinks so. What do you think? Will they meet and make a different color? Awesome thoughts. Well, this experiment needs to sit. It needs to take some time overnight. So let us show you. We did this yesterday, and we will show you what it looks like today. Okay, so we moved that away. Now take a look. We did it yesterday. We let it sit overnight and look what happened. They met in the middle. The blue and the red mixed, and it made purple in the middle glass. So the water walked up the paper towel and met in the middle glass. Okay, that is all we have for you today. This was our experiment called Walking Water. I'm Ashley from Rejuvenate Health Services. This was my buddy,
Abby.
And thank you for joining us at the Science Buddy series. We will see you soon. Bye, everybody.